Bonita's Kitchen. It's kitchen. To yours.
Hi, Bonita Ray from Bonita's Kitchen, and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to share with you over these next few months is videos from our old kitchen in Newfoundland. And today, this video is about our flaky pastry pie. So if this interests you, make yourself a cup of tea and sit back and enjoy. And we're going to be making our pastry. And this is an important step. We need cold butter and ice cold water. So I'll show you what that's all about. Okay, so what we're going to be using is 2.5 cups of flour. I'll just put that right on in. Now if you want to do this in your food processor, you can do that as well. We're going to be using cold butter, very important step, and it's going to be 1/2 cup. 1/2 teaspoonful of salt, sea salt. So first I'm going to pinch the butter into the flour. Again, if you are using a food processor, you just start blending it together, but I'm going to show you how to do it the old-fashioned way first. I'm going to be mixing in a cup of icy cold water. So if you want to put the water on ice first and strain it off, that's fine. And you just slowly blend it in. So you're going to gradually mix it in like this. Now you'll probably find it a lot easier again working with a food processor because you won't have a lot of mess. But to me that don't mean anything because I love working with dough. So just mix it around until it all blends in together. Okay, so as you can see, it's shaping up nice. This only takes a few minutes to do. After you got it shaped into a ball, you can feel that it's still nice and cold. What we're going to do now is put it out on my board and roll it. Okay, so this pastry that we're making here today is almost enough to make 2 pies. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break it in half. I'm only going to be using half of it, and then I'm going to show you what you can do with the other half of the pastry if you're not making 2 pies. So you're just going to put your dough out onto a piece of parchment paper or the countertop and just flatten it a little bit with your fingers first. Sprinkle a little bit of flour over the top of your pastry. Use one of those rings, or you could the rolling pin, or you could use a wine bottle, whatever you got on the hand, to roll out your pastry. So you just keep going like this until you get it to fit your pan. Okay, so this looks like it's enough. And you need a pie pan and lightly greased. You could put butter on it or just a little bit of spray. Take your dough and bring it up over your pie shell, or up over your pie pan, I'm sorry, like this. So what we're going to do next, we're going to pinch off the extra dough. So you're pretty much going to pinch your fingers together like this. Keep going right around your pie, taking off the extra dough at the end. Just keep going around like this. Okay, so cutting away any extra on the end, like I was saying previously, just putting it to the side, pinching on the edges. Then with a fork, just make a few holes in the bottom of your pan, like that. Pie crust ready to go. Now this is the extra piece that I was telling you about. So after you had rolled it out, keep it on the parchment paper. If you're not going to use it, then cover it with a little bit of saran wrap. And then what we're going to do, we're going to roll it up, and then you can freeze it for another time. So pretty much keep going like this, and then fold it over onto the ends, and it'll look something like this when you're done with it. And wrap it again in saran, and this will be for another pie down the wall.
Always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen. It's kitchen.
From our kitchen to yours, on behalf of myself, Raymond, and our team here at Bonita's Kitchen. You have a wonderful day.